Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros. And for today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys on how to access incognito or private browsing mode in the Opera web browser. And without further ado, let's go ahead. So all you have to do is open up on Opera browser, and then dito lang sa upper left corner, and then click mo lang dito yung Opera logo. And then kung paano ba natin i-access ang incognito mode. So ang next step ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung new private windows. Okay? So pwede mong gamitin yung keyboard shortcut na control plus shift plus N. Okay? So i-click lang natin yan at madirect ka agad tayo dito sa incognito mode settings. So you are in a private mode. Okay? So pwede na natin tong gamitin dahil naka-incognito mode na tayo. Alright, so search ka lang dito sa taas. Ganyan. And then, ganito siya. Alright, so nasa incognito mode na tayo. Okay, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to access incognito mode in Mozilla Firefox. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.